Oh yeah, there's timber right under us.
Uh-huh. No way.
Holding up all
Stepping
this
down
rock.
timber.
Rock and dirt.
Damn. That goes down deep.
See the drill bit?
Whoa.
And there's this little
That's
can with,
awesome.
like bolts and nails in it. Oh,
Dude, I can't believe how far down that goes. Like straight shot, 200 feet at least. Oh, that's cool. Tin can and an old nail. Alright, I'm off. It's pretty walkable right here.
Oh, right.
Dang, an old spike.
track, it would have been.
Oh yeah, that's a railroad tie. Look at this steel pipe.
Yeah, that's about the size of that one come out of the ground, isn't it?
Yeah, you're right. That could be one and the same type of pipe. It looks flooded at the bottom, honestly.
I was worried about that with all the rain.
Dude, but there's a side little drift.
Okay.
Look at that.
Good
Oh,
side.
damn.
We can definitely get up into that. You want to go straight forward and see what that water is first?
Yeah, well,
That's
that's
totally
straightforward.
flooded, but yeah.
Let's go check it out. More pipe. Whoa. Look at that.
There's a wire pull on it. Oh, wow.
That's crazy.
Look at that.
Why is that so blue? What mineral would do that?
That's the soapstone. Talc is actually green.
True.
Green? It's green, and then, you know, the Fort Mountain gneiss. That's
Yeah.
very black and purplish. That's cool. Wow. That's awesome. Let me get back
I
up.
mean, it looks like, if that's another thing, if the water was lower,
Oh, we could get in there.
yeah, like not even much lower, like it's flooded, but, you know, if the water was like 3 feet lower, that'd be another
3 feet
thing.
lower.
Dude, yeah, go on like a stand-up paddleboard. Oh, marking.
Is that ore count? Is that what?
Oh yeah, that's the ore count. That's how many cars they took out. Oh yeah, it's carbide lamp. Graffiti basically.
Okay.
They marked it.
Can't tell if that's initials below
It does.
It looks like something.
Yeah.
Might have been
Looks
like the
like
shift
JFK.
manager or something.
Yeah, true.
Or just the guy doing the loads. And what's the best way up? I think I'm gonna go for this way.
This way?
That's pretty cool how they braced it with this log though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll chop it over.
Yeah,
Does it keep going?
it does. It goes around the corner. Look at that.
Bunch of
What is
pipe.
that? There's pipe?
It's like a whole bunch of scrap pipe. Let's go see what's around the corner. There's an old spring here, probably from an ore cart.
Oh, man. You see where the ties were?
Yeah, each one.
Dude, look at this. There's like a piece of a machine or something. It looks like a latch. It will latch onto something.
Okay.
Is that for the wood cart?
Probably.
Yeah.
Looks like
A
a little
coupler?
panel right here. that-
Looks like
Yeah.
some sort of coupling, yeah.
There's another marking to the right of your
Oh
face.
yeah, right next to your face, sir.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Above you, dude, more.
There's more, huh?
To the left.
There you go.
Oh, there's dots here. Alright, well, my GoPro decided to stop recording. So, still back at this latch. They're gonna go off and see if there's another direction they can explore. But this way was full of stuff. A little barrel there. Come down here, and first thing we saw was a paint can. And it looks like they were mixing something with it because it was like stuck in there. That's pretty funny. And it's a whole mess of rotten log right here you gotta get over. Go down the decline. When you get to the bottom, it's split off. We found that it stopped this way. Peeked over that hill, there's nothing. So we went this way. Whoa. I didn't even notice that pool of rusty metal and stuff. That looks pretty neat. Alright, so there's a stope that goes up. And we went up there and it stops exactly where you see my light way up there. Pretty decent sized stope for this mine. Because then it also stops in this direction. See some little boreholes in there. Nothing's loaded up with dynamite or anything. Yeah, here's the stope that goes up. And I'm not really gonna go up there. There's not much to see. So we'll either head out or see what they found back at that main split. Speed tour. Hey, you guys are over here. Hey, I made it.
Nice.
Let me just get down. I wonder if this was like the air duct. It looks like it.
Right.
With such a small little mine. They say the hardest part for when you're the most tired.
Oh yeah.